Hello viewers and welcome to the channel. I'm Gay Polnaroso. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, please remember to subscribe and click the bell icon down below to enable notification. So in this video I'll be showing you on how to install Microsoft Office 2016. So the first thing you have to know is the installation file and the setup. So let's just go straight away. So you open the Explorer where the installation file is. So in my case I'm installing the file from DVD drive, and so just right click on it, then you open the files. So at this point you have to run the setup. So this is the setup. Buddha. So guys, make sure you run the setup. So you double click on the setup, then you click on yes to launch the setup. So guys, at this point you can choose to whether to customize the installation file. Maybe select Word, Excel, you have access. So let's just highlight them for you. So you have Word, Excel, Access, Publisher, OneDrive for business, InfoPath, Skype for business, OneNote, Outlook, and PowerPoint. So you can just select the items that you want to install, or check the boxes to leave the other ones, or you can again use this software to uninstall another current office. So at this point you just want it to install, so you just click on install, because just click on install office and then you proceed. But if you want to customize, maybe you want to install some features and leave alone the other features, so you just again check the boxes or uncheck the boxes to disable the installation of that file. So just click on install. Sorry, before that you must identify the operating system that you're using on the installation file, whether it's a 32-bit is times 86 and or 64-bit times 64. So just select on one, then try installing it. Then apply. So guys, in this case I can use the 32-bit. This is the 32-bit operating system, but if it was 64-bit, then the installation won't proceed until you select the correct type of bit, maybe 64-bit and 32-bit operating system. So I'm using the 32-bit. So this is now the window. You're proceeding with the installation. So as I've said earlier, you can customize them. At that point you check the installation files that you want to install, or uncheck the other files to deactivate the installation of them. So we'll install Word, we'll install the Excel, you have PowerPoint, you have OneNote, this other one. Again you have Publisher, you have Skype, you have OneDrive, and this one. So the installation is now being done in the 10 files that are being installed on the system. So that after installation you'll just be able to access the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, Skype, and other features. So there's other things that you have to know about before the installation. You have to know the drive location and installing the Office. Again, you can upgrade from a certain office to another office, maybe from 2007 to 2010, or from 2010 to 2013, and so on, even from 2013 to 2016, or from just direct from 2007 to 2016. So guys, let me know the type of Microsoft Office you're using. Just comment down below in the comment section, and I'll just get back to you and give you a quick response. Maybe if you're using 2007, just comment down below in the comment section, and maybe 2010, 2013, 2016, just comment down below in the comment section and let me know the type of Microsoft Office you're using and the type of bit, whether a 64-bit or a 32-bit. Even if you have challenges during the installation of the Microsoft Office, just let me know by commenting down below in the comment section. So guys, keep watching, because I'm just going to show you various things to do with the installation of Microsoft Office. Sometimes you may be installing the Microsoft Office, then maybe the bootstrap is missing, so you have to fix that error just manually by going to the settings, or even just by installing a certain app to fix that error. So guys, be keen during the installation, even upgrade, and make sure at some point you may find the Windows Defender preventing you from running the setup. So the first thing, you have to disable the Windows Defender, and disabling the